Hello there, I am Robo-Team 7. I can move around, recognize images, and many more. I am specially built and designed by MDP Group 7. Let's see what they have to say about me.
For STM32, there are only two main objectives: to ensure straight line motion of the car and accurate turns. To achieve this, two PID controllers were implemented. One was implemented on the servo motor, which takes the output angle from the gyroscope, and the motor constantly tries to realign itself to achieve the desired straight line angle. As a result, deviation error is reduced when moving in a straight line. The other PID controller was implemented on the DC motor to account for factors such as the environment, weight distribution, and motor setup that can affect wheel turns. Given the same PWM to drive the motors, they will not spin at the same RPM. The use of encoders and the PID ensures that both wheels spin at the same speed. The robot also utilizes the encoders to estimate the distance traveled. This allows us to determine when to stop the robot when it has reached a particular distance. The use of gyroscope ensured accuracy for the turns used in Challenge 1.
Android enables the communication between users and the robot. Our user interface is simple, with two tabs that split the main arena and Bluetooth. The Bluetooth tab enables users to search for nearby devices and pair with them. If a device has been paired before, its information is saved so that the user can reconnect readily. Bluetooth status will also be updated at the top of the home screen tab. Users can easily set up the arena by tapping on the respective buttons to place the robot and obstacles and set the direction of any object. When in a certain mode, all other buttons are disabled. Obstacles can also be placed by inputting the X and Y coordinates.
Using the drag and drop function, users can also change the obstacle's position. An obstacle list is displayed for the user to check their input coordinates and direction of the obstacles. If an obstacle is wrongly placed, it can be removed by dragging out of the grid, and the obstacle list will be updated. An added feature of the Android is that it animates the robot's real-time movement on the grid. When an image is recognized, the obstacle ID will be updated. Once the run is over, the total time taken will be displayed. To start a new run with different obstacles, the user can easily click on the Reset Arena to clear the grid map.
For the algorithm, we implemented the A-star algorithm with Manhattan distance. We also implemented some penalties for the algorithm. So the first penalty is about the turn. We add more cost to turn compared to straight line movement. As you can see in this comparison, there is a huge difference between adding the turn penalty and not having the turn penalty. Then the second one is about the place where the picture is taken. The robot will prefer to navigate to obstacles with the same direction that it's currently facing. That's the basic idea of the algorithm.
The RPi is mainly responsible for managing the communications between the Android tablet, STM32, and our laptop that is serving the algorithm and image recognition API. It is important for the RPi to be able to concurrently send and receive messages from any components. To achieve this, the multi-threading library was used to spawn child processes to run concurrently. Integration was also done early to allow different teammates to fine-tune their own aspects.
Firstly, we took approximately 4,000 images and imported them into RoboFlow. Next, we applied some pre-processing steps and image augmentation to improve the accuracy of the model in various lighting situations. Next, we trained the Yolo V5 object detection model using our dataset, running 150 epochs and a burst size of 32, achieving an average accuracy of 95% when testing with a test set of 500 images.
Throughout their MVP journey, my creators have demonstrated grit and resilience. They have poured their heart and soul out into designing me to their best abilities. But more importantly, they have developed a close bond with one another.